Pretty amazing. Take a look at the size of this log. The chainsaw guys were working at this for about 5 minutes to get through it, but you can see this is just cutting like butter. It's going right through, and I'm going to have to get a neighbor to come and help me tail this off so it won't fall and crash on my bandsaw on the other side. But this Rikon is having no problem. I was able to cut all this green wood up in a matter of just maybe 15 minutes. To cut my wood down to workable sizes. I'm going to put paint on the ends now so they won't crack, and then I made a lot of blanks for making small items on the lathe. You can see got a nice collection, and then I'm going to make some pens, writing pens out of these pieces. And there's my cat who thinks he's going to get some canned food. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.